Hi, I'm Elliot Jose, Regional Sales and Technical Manager at Chauvenard New UK. In this video, I'm excited to introduce you to our Class A CA8345 Power Quality Analyzer, a powerful instrument designed to meet all your power quality needs. I'll walk you through its key features, show you how it works, and explain how, with the right accessories, it becomes the ultimate solution for accurate and reliability power quality analysis. That being said, let's get started. First up, the CA8345 is the flagship model in the Chauvenard New prestigious Qualistar range, packed with advanced features. If you're already familiar with the Qualistar series, you'll love the intuitive interface that the CA8345 offers. This model takes things to a whole new level, offering enhanced functionalities, effortless usability, remote accessibility, and real-time alarm notifications sent straight to your email. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out. At the core of the CA8345 is its Class A certification. This ensures that the analyzer meets the highest industry standard for power quality testing. It also includes 1000 volt Category 4 safety rating. The CA8345 is built to last and designed to withstand even the toughest environments. With its dust and water resistance IP rating, it's perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're working in dusty, humid or extreme temperature conditions, the CA8345 delivers consistent, reliable performance under harsh conditions. Now, let's take a closer look at the design of the CA8345. One of the standout features is its large 7-inch touchscreen, giving you clear, intuitive interface to easily review log data while still being compact and portable for use in any environment. Just below the display, you'll find a set of soft keys that relate to the different menu options displayed on the screen. These keys provide one-touch access to commonly used functions, making navigation quick and efficient. Beneath the soft keys, you'll find arrow buttons for easy scrolling through the settings functions or data, while the return and enter key help you confirm and backtrack your choices. The settings button also allows you to fine-tune your measurement configuration, while the camera button enables you to capture screen snapshots and save them to the memory card for future analysis. This feature is particularly helpful for documenting specific findings during any testing operations. If you ever feel lost or need clarification, the help function is a real lifesaver. It provides on-screen definitions and step-by-step guidance, ensuring you always have support during your testing needs. One of the key features that the CA8345 offers is its versatile connectivity. At the bottom of the unit, you'll find two flaps, one for a USB memory stick and the other for an SD card. This makes data storage, transfer and backup seamless, keeping your logging session organised and making it easy to share findings with colleagues or clients. On the side of the unit, you'll find a Kingston lock port, a feature particularly useful in theft-prone environments. You will also notice an Ethernet port enabling remote communications with an analyzer over a network from anywhere in the world. The USB port is used for data transfer, while the charging port ensures the unit stays powered throughout long during tests. You'll never lose track of your measurements. The CA8345 offers a range of input options, adding flexibility for assessing various power systems. It features 4 current inputs, compatible with a wide range of current sensors. These inputs allow you to measure current across all the phases and the neutral line, giving you the comprehensive view of your power system current characteristics. Additionally, the CA8345 features 5 voltage inputs, 1 for neutral and ground and 1 for each of the phases. These voltage inputs are fully isolated, ensuring that each measurement is independent from interference. The CA8345 offers the ability to web browse into the unit. This means you can access and control the unit from any device connected to the same network, including Windows, PC, Mac, smartphone, or even a tablet. Whether you're on site or working in a remote location, the CA8345 offers seamless connectivity with our independent server. You can easily access live data, monitor real-time measurements or download log sessions, and receive alarm notifications for overvoltage or undervoltage, or current parameters. This feature is perfect for situations where access to the unit is challenging or for remote monitoring during extended tests. This wireless connectivity also allows for data visualization on your personal device, which is especially valuable when you need to track and compare measurements over time. You can view data on trends, harmonics, voltage dip, and much more, all in real time. To ensure accurate timestamp measurements, the CA8345 offers two synchronization options. It can either synchronize with the network time server for precise timing over the internet, or it can use its built-in GPS module to receive timing signals directly from the satellites. This ensures that every measurement is perfectly synchronized regardless of location or setup. The CA8345 includes our PA32 power supply. Is a robust magnetic device. This eliminates the need for separate power outlets, which is particularly useful in an environment where access to the power source from a mains supply is limited or unavailable. The PAT32ER is rated to 1000 volts, matching the CA8345 specification, and it provides stable power during the test. It can be powered using the standard figure of 8 mains leads, or with the test leads that are connected directly to the circuit under the test using these 4mm terminals. The unit also includes a magnetic hook adapter, making it easy to hang the unit on a panel or door, perfect for keeping it off the floor. Not only that, it comes with a 3-meter cabling reeling box to help you keep your cables organised. We just reel it out as and when we want to use it, or reel it back in. It's that simple. Another essential feature, the unit is compatible with a wide range of current sensors. If you already own a sensor from the previous Chauvelin new devices, such as a Qualistar or PEL products, you'll be pleased to know that these are fully compatible with the CA8345. For those new to the range, there are numerous current sensors available, including our popular MA194 Rogalski coil sensor. These sensors are highly flexible, allowing you to wrap them around the conductor easily and provide accurate current readings in confined spaces. The MA194 range of sensors are particularly suited for those in hard to reach areas where traditional clamps might not fit. Their flexibility and high accuracy and ease of installation makes them a favourite among power quality professionals. Once logging is complete, the unit provides detailed reports that can be easily shared or exported, and reporting software that allows you to generate detailed graphs and documentation. These reports can be used for compliance purposes, or if you simply want to track the performance of an electrical installation over time. Whether you're a distribution network operator, renewable energy installer, or in the general commercial electrical industry, the CA8345 delivers the data you need to optimise any performance, troubleshoot any issues, and ensure compliance with the regulatory standards. Thanks all for watching. If you have any questions or you'd like a demonstration, please don't hesitate to contact us at info@chauvelin-anu.co.uk. See you again next time.